taking a leisure trip to the beach for relaxation and personal enjoyment. The purpose of this trip is stress relief and self-care after a busy work period. Ah, finally here. Time for that walk. The water's pulling me under. Help, it's going. My intention was to spend a few hours near the ocean, enjoy the sound of the waves, take photos, and unwind. To capture this piece. Just relaxing, no work today. The day gave her exactly what she needed: clarity, softness, and a reset. This wasn't just a beach trip, it was a promise to myself that no matter how busy life gets, she will always make space for joy. Bye guys, thanks for watching.